Dennis O'Donnell, and I want to welcome you to Elite Realty. This is our new office on Lincoln Street in Oroville, California. We're currently starting in 3,000 square foot. We're going to expand to 7,000 square foot, and we'd like everybody to come and check it out. If you're a real estate agent, loan officer, we're doing real estate and loan, no desk fees. It's free to sign up and join, and we're doing free training and everybody that's interested in real estate or loan, experience, no experience, you're all welcome to come. Have any questions, you can reach me on my cell phone, 530-403-9103. That's 530-403-9103.
Welcome to Elite Realty.